Hello everyone, welcome to OLAYEMI Cooking channel. Today we are going to make this easy shrimp fried rice and it's very delicious. It's one pan bread dinner recipe, and actually I'm going to take you step by step. I prepared this shrimp fried rice in one pan, in one pot. So it's an easy dinner recipe, a recipe that you can prepare on a very busy day and you are thinking what's for dinner, and this is a perfect dinner recipe. Let's prepare our egg. So I'm going to start preparing my fried egg. So I have 2 eggs in a bowl, so I'm going to mix this until it's well mixed without adding any salt to my egg. So I'm going to mix it and it's well mixed. So I have cooking oil in the pan, so I'm going to add my diced onions. You can as well skip it out, but actually I like adding onions to my fried rice. So I'm going to mix my egg. So as I said, I'm frying my egg. First is the first step of preparing this my easy meal. So I normally prepare my fried egg first. So I'm going to fry the egg and it's well ready. So my egg is ready. So I'm going to step my fried egg aside. So I'm going to put it in a bowl. You can see it's well ready. If you observe, I didn't add any salt to this fried egg. Yes, I didn't add any salt. So I'm going to remove the egg from the pan. So I'm going to step it aside and put it in a bowl. So then we'll start preparing our shrimp fried rice. So this is the outcome. So I'm going to add my shrimp fried rice into it. Actually, I want the taste of the egg to mix with my shrimp fried rice, so that's why I'm going to add my shrimp into the pan. Then I'm going to fry it, so because I want the taste of the egg to taste with the shrimp. That's the reason I'm doing it in one pan. So I'm going to add my other vegetable, which is I'm going to add my broccoli. You will like broccoli in fried rice? Yes, it really tastes nice when you eat broccoli with fried rice. I've been trying it and I've been doing it so many times, and the taste is very unique. If you try it, please let me know what you think in the comment section. I'm always there to see what you think about this. So I'm going to add other vegetables. I'm going to add broccoli, I'm going to add green beans and carrots. Yes, next time I'm going to show you I prepare my green beans and carrots. So I'm going to mix it together and wait for it to cook for a couple of minutes. I'll keep on stirring this because I want everything to well combine and I want the taste to mix together. So I'm going to keep on stirring this. If you've not liked this video, please do not forget to hit the like button, and do not forget to share OLAYEMI recipe with your loved ones, and do not forget to subscribe. Have you subscribed to my channel yet? If you've not, do not forget to hit the subscribe button, and do not forget to hit the bell icon so you'll be the first to know every time I upload a new video. For my old and new subscribers, thanks so much for being supportive of my channel and keep on staying tuned to it to see more of my recipes. So I'm going to add seasoning to it. It's a seasoning cube, so I'm going to squeeze it, and I'm going to add salt. Actually, you can add any seasoning to sweet your taste. So that's I'm going to add some pinch of salt to sweet my taste. So I'm going to stir everything together and let it well combine and wait for it to fry for a couple of minutes. Actually, I'm cooking this in a medium heat, so it will not be too cooked and everything will be cooked perfectly. So I'm going to add, you can see it really looks well fried. So I'm going to add black pepper. Have you used black pepper on your fried rice before? Let me know what you think in the comment section and let me know how it tastes. Actually, it tastes good when you add black pepper to your fried rice. So I'm going to stir it for a couple of minutes. Then I'm going to add my dry thyme leaf. So and then I'm going to add my curry powder. I'm actually using 1 teaspoon of curry powder. Then I really like using curry powder in my fried rice. Even in my meal, I really enjoy using curry powder. Have you checked my recipe on shrimp sauce and white rice? Do not forget to check that out. That recipe tastes really good. And I have so many recipes on shrimp fried rice, so you can as well use your leftover rice to prepare this shrimp, your leftover white rice, and actually it really tastes good. As I said, if on a very busy day and you're thinking of what is for dinner, actually this is a perfect food for me. Why even buying takeout, this is a perfect meal, and it's very easy to prepare. It doesn't take too much time in preparing it. So I've already add my fried egg into my rice because I want everything to taste unique. So I'm going to stir everything together until everything is well combined. So I'll keep on stirring it. Do not forget to stir your ingredients with your rice to make it well rich and well combined. Actually, when you stir it properly, it really tastes good. So this is the outcome after I finish stirring it. You can see it's well stirred and well combined. So if you've not liked this video, please do not forget to hit like button. It really encouraged me to want to do more of this recipe. I prepare my recipe at home. As I said, this is what I prepare at my house. So my children and my family really enjoy eating this food on a very day that I'm very tired to prepare a very big meal. So I usually prepare something light and something like this. So it's very fast for me to prepare. It's perfect for dinner. So this is how it looks. I really love seeing that shrimp there, and it smells nice. I think if you really enjoy eating fried rice, you're going to like and enjoy this meal. So our shrimp fried rice is ready, so I'm going to dish it in a bowl. So this is the outcome in a bowl. Oh my god, this looks, I can't wait to eat this. So if you've not liked my video, please do not forget to hit the like button. Let me know what you think about this recipe in the comment section. After you try this recipe, please do not forget to let me know what you think about it and taste in the comment section. Thanks for watching this shrimp fried rice, and do not forget to check our other recipe on West Africa. Chin chin is an African recipe, and do not forget to check my potato recipe and puff recipe, and as well do not forget to check this my cucumber rolls recipe. Thanks so much for watching. I guess I will see you on my next recipe, and please be safe out there.